All right, number 12. We got two planes took off from Milwaukee. First plane is traveling 3 times as fast as the second plane. After traveling in the same direction for 8.5 hours, they are 17,134 miles apart. What's the average speed of each plane? And they give you a hint, since they are traveling in the same direction, the distance between them will be the difference in their distances. So it also says use X and Y to set up the equations and solve the problems. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to say distance, which is speed times time. So I'm going to let X be one speed. So X times 8.5, or I can say 8.5X and put the numbers out front. That's the time. 8.5X, because traveling for 8.5 hours times the speed minus, because we got to take the difference between them since they're going in the same direction. It's going to be 8.5y, and the difference in their distance will be that 1,734 miles. Okay, so same direction after 8.5 hours. If you measure the distance between them, you subtract their distance, you get this. The second equation, it says that the first plane is going 3 times as fast as the second plane. So the first plane, X, is 3 times as fast, so it's going to be 3y. So whatever this speed is, this one is going 3 times as fast. So if I multiply that by 3, they will be equal. So here are my two equations. Go ahead and put them in, and then we'll solve this by substitution. It'll be easy just to plug in right there and solve. So first equation is going to be 8.5x minus 8.5y, and that equals to 1,734. And then the next equation is x equals 3y. Alright, so now we're going to solve it with substitution. So I'm going to substitute for x right here. So I'm going to have 8.5 times x, which is replaced with 3y, minus 8.5y equals 1734. Alright, multiply 8 times 3 is 24, plus 1.5, 25.5. 25.5y minus 8.5y equals 1734. Alright, combine like terms. So that gives me 25 minus 8 will give us 17y equals 1734. And then we're going to divide by 17. So that gives me y equals 102. So the first plane is going 102 miles an hour. If I plug in 102 here, 3 times 102 equals 306. So the second plane is going 306, the faster plane. So first plane, they said the first plane is going faster, so that's the 306. Second plane is 102.